Hello friends, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can fix network problem or mobile data not working problem in Realme 8i or Realme 8i 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So you're facing network problem or mobile data not working or not connecting problem on Realme 8i or Realme 8i 5G. Simply just follow a single step as I'm showing you in this video. So first of all, just tap on settings.